Hi, I'm Keith Persin from Profusion. I'm here with a new development board with AES70 remote control. The key feature about the DSP module is the ease with which you can develop and introduce yourself to AES70 control. We start with developing the DSP code using a graphical interface to drag and drop the DSP modules you want to use in your product. And then from that not only generates the DSP code used in the DSP, but also the AES70 source code you see on the screen here. So each of the DSP blocks is represented by a control function. From there you can just edit the code in HTML to get the control interface that best suits your product. So in summary, it's a very quick and easy route to start playing and an introduction to AES70. And that's it. The URL to check is profusion/resolute audio. Thank you.